Hello guys, welcome back to our second tutorial on the channel. So as I had promised earlier, we'll be doing something which is practical for you to be used in your life. Let's take a scenario. You came to office and all of a sudden your boss calls you and tells, okay, here is some data and I want you to create some meaningful report out of it in next 1 hour or so, and I can present it to management. You really have no idea about the data and nothing, and you are new to such kind of things. What will you do in this scenario? Or let's take another example. You are going for an interview for some sales profile, and your boss tells that, okay, we have our sales data based on that. Please go through it and please provide a strategy based on that. So, how will you quickly analyze this data? That's what we are going to learn today. So, yeah, let's start. Let's first get the data. So, I know I have done tutorial one on how to get the data from through query from another Excel workbook, but I am going to repeat the steps quickly so that you are able to grasp it. Where is Okay, so we are going to use the same raw data about the US regional cells. So I am importing it. All right, let's quickly transform. Great. So yes, we need to change the date using local. I'm going to put it as a date and English India for me. Yep, English India. Same for this column. I'm not going to explain why local and all these things. I have already done that in my last video. You can check on the playlist. So I have not pre-created anything. I'm just doing live on the screen for you so you can follow along. Okay, so in last video we had loaded all this data into table, but I'm not going to do that. We can only create connection and then use the data over here. So for that, in this option, we'll select create connection. You can directly create a pivot table report or something like that. But yeah, I'm just going to create connection and add this data to data model. For data model, we will go into deep tutorial later on. But yeah, for time being, let me just create like this for keeping this tutorial short. We will do more when we are taking tutorial on advanced, Power Pivot. Okay, so now we have our data in data model. So now we want to analyze the data quickly. So I'm going to create one pivot table. Pivot tables are great for creating quick summaries of the report instead of putting so many formulas and all those things. So yeah, that's why pivot table. Okay, so let us try to see. Okay, let's have the sales channel and let's see what else we have. Okay, let's just count how many orders that sales channel received. Okay, so now we have something like this, and let's create one more pivot table, and let's say instead of sales channel, I would like to have the warehouse code, and yeah, I know that from which warehouse, how it is coming. Okay, and let's have one more table where I want to have the idea from sales team. Yeah, let's see sales team ID, and we know that we have 28 different sales team. Okay, and then maybe let's have an idea about our customers. Uh, let's remove it. Yeah, customer ID. And yeah, we have around 50 customers we can see. So this is how you can quickly summarize the data, without worrying about putting so many formulas, and then we have store ID. So if you want to play along with the store ID, you can play along with the store ID, and you know that okay, you have so many stores, more than 367. I don't know the data set, so yeah. So something like that, and maybe you can see based on order date. Okay, so yeah, how many years and months the orders were given. So this is how it looks. So this is broadly how you can analyze the data, and maybe then you can put it into your presentation, or if you are in for interview, you can say that okay, we had the dataset contains total 7,991 order details, out of which the distributor um, order from the distributors is 1375. In store, we had 3298, online 2425, and 893. So basically, what we can see that. Or you can play around with the field settings, like you want to show it is a percentage of current total. Yeah, so you can quickly say that you are getting 41% of your orders from in store, and online is 30. So in principle you are getting 71% of the sales from there, and distributor and wholesaler only contributing to 28%. So this is quick analysis. So this is how you can quickly analyze your data, and these are the great use. This is the great use of pivot tables, basically.